Grandma, I'm all dressed up and pretty. Do you like me?
I think she does. Do you want to show Grandma your blanket?
Oh, this is my blanket from Auntie Ann.
Do you love it?
Yep.
Yeah. Will you show her your baby brother and his blanket?
Oh, yeah. Oh, see,
Can you go over there? Crawl right over. Go a little bit closer. There you go.
Okay, Grandma. This is me. It's stripes. Like this is, my baby brother, like a jaguar. And this is my blanket. And here's me, fancy, all the fancy dancy.
Aw, very nice. What do you want to say to Grandma?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Grandma. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Grandma. Happy birthday.